Are you creative and like working with people? Perhaps you're looking to take your hair and beauty skills to the next level? Then Gallech's dynamic theatrical hair and makeup courses could be your ticket to an exciting and vibrant career. As a special effects makeup artist, you'll work with live models and performers to transform them into characters or creatures, from creating a natural look for TV to using wigs and hairpieces for a period drama, or using prosthetics for horror productions. The only limit really is your imagination. We offer various courses to suit any study level right up to level 5 for advanced techniques. You'll have fantastic work placement opportunities in theatres, fashion, photo shoots, film and events. With a mixture of assessments including practical and theory, you'll finish your course with a fantastic portfolio of work, the confidence and skills to successfully launch your career. Find out more about theatrical makeup courses via our course search or register for our next open event now. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply.